The concept car of the third-generation Volkswagen Scirocco was displayed under the name IROC at the September 2006 Paris Motor Show. Expectations were high for the appearance of a new sports coupe, after the 13-year hiatus which followed the end of the Corrado. The commercial version of the new Scirocco was finally released at the Geneva Motor Show in March of 2008. European sales of the Scirocco were to begin in August of the same year. Before sales started, VW entered the Scirocco in the Nürburgring 24-hour race and made to solidify its sporty image. The racing car named the Scirocco GT24 was based on the commercial Scirocco, and was driven by famed drivers Carlos Sainz and Hans-Joachim Stuck. The car had prominent aerodynamic parts in the front and rear, which extended the total length by 227 mm. To fit 18 inches wheels, the fenders were also enlarged by 61 mm, and the tread was widened. The race-tuned suspension was also lowered by 75 mm, giving it a very wide and low impression in comparison to the production model Scirocco. The engine was based on the 2L direct injection turbo TFSI, and tuned to 320 bhp and 34.7 kgfm torque. The transmission match to this was Volkswagen's famous DSG. The two Scirocco GT24s attained 11th and 15th place overall, and a 1-2 finish in its class.